Hey everybody, Ian here, TradeStalker.com with your recap for June 14, 2016. Well, you can see that we had another decent down day, and then something of a little rally into the close, but we'll see whether or not that sticks. And I guess there's some news, FOMC coming up tomorrow. But looking at the price action, you can see we gapped down and came up and initially tested this 68.5 to 67.5 area, pulled back a little bit and bounced through it, and stopped right at the 72 initial resistance, the key early zone that Mike had marked. And you can see that capped the market. First we got to drop back down to the 68.5 to 67.5 zone, where we got a bounce to a lower high, and that was it for the downside to start the move that took us all the way down towards the 54.75 low on the day. Along the way, you can see we did get a couple of reaction bounces off the 62 to 63 quarter area, a little bounce here, and consolidation before it broke through. And we broke through this 57 to 58 57 to 58 zone, excuse me, and kind of stalled around it, consolidated, bounced off of it, and then held it on the way back here for a move back up to the 62 to 63, where it broke out again. When this is happening a lot, sometimes these zones are invalidated when they get run through a bunch of times. But if it gets far enough away from a zone, then you can use that zone again. That's something to keep in mind. So you can see here, I'll pull back down to this 57 to 58 zone, held again, got a nice bounce up to the 62 zone. Once again, the 62 to 63 held, and you got a nice move back down again. This time we did come through this area, but you can see that we did make a double bottom here, which was a nice long entry, and that took us back up through the 62-63 zone, right back up to the 67 half to 68 half zone, where it acted as resistance again, and backed off, and then we kind of closed close to the highs, and we're off that a little bit right now in the overnight. So you can see the levels are, they're definitely important, and the market definitely respects them. There were definitely some ebook setups in here as well, and like I mentioned before in other videos, it's always a good idea to use some kind of other information if you have your areas as well. It's just going to make those levels that much stronger. But you can see how the market really likes to use these zones. As always, use good money management and trade safely. Hopefully you guys had a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, you can contact Mike at tradestalker.com. Thanks.